IT 301,211, Introduction to Programming. Lecture 1, The History, Evolution and Purpose of Programming Languages, with emphasis on Java. Definition of key terms. Programs in programming languages. What is a computer program? A computer program is a set of instructions to tell a computer what to do. Typically, a computer program, at its most basic level, is written in some form of machine code. The following machine code example instructs a computer to add two integers, 83 and -2. It would be very hard for a human to write a program in first-generation 1GL machine language. To make things more complicated, machine languages are platform-dependent, so the machine language for a Windows computer would be different from an Apple computer. Taken from http://people.unc/tompkins/242/busycomputer/atonumbers.htm. Last visited, August 31, 2019. Low-level programming, assembly language. Assembly languages are considered second-generation 2GL languages which are also machine-dependent. Taken from http://people.unc/tompkins/242/busycomputer/atonumbers.htm. Last visited, August 31, 2019. Although not as hard as writing machine language, it would still be difficult for a human to write a program in second-generation 2GL assembly language. High-level 3GL programming languages. Java and C++ are considered to be third-generation 3GL programming languages. 3GL programming languages are also machine-independent because they use compilers or interpreters to convert source code into machine language. Taken from http://people.unc/tompkins/242/busycomputer/atonumbers.htm. Last visited, August 31, 2019. For human beings, 3GL programming languages are easier to read and write because their syntax is closer to natural languages, such as Arabic or English. The function of a compiler and interpreter in 3GL. Taken from https://www.guru99.com/difference-compiler-vs-interpreter.html. To check your knowledge. Explain why machine code is considered to be a first-generation programming language. List 2 differences between compilers and interpreters when processing source code. Explain why a first-generation programming language would not need a compiler. Are there 4GL programming languages? Yes, some types of programming languages do not require the programmer to manually write any source code. Instead, the programmer might use a graphical interface, such as a case tool, to develop source code. Furthermore, a fourth-generation programming language usually has some inbuilt functionality to automatically generate statistical reports. SPSS is an example of a 4GL. Taken from https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=adder3_ng5ca. Last visited August 31, 2019. Focus of this course, 3GL. In this course, you will be introduced to programming using a 3GL programming language called Java. To help you to write source code, you will be using an Integrated Development Environment (IDE), a tool which helps you to write source code correctly and then run that source code as a computer program. The IDE which we will use is called Eclipse. Why choose Java? Java is a good first language to learn computer programming because it is widely used for Internet applications and devices, such as mobile phones, which use the Internet. Programmers don't have to recompile their source code when switching between different platforms. Write once, run everywhere. The Java Development Kit (JDK) provides programmers with extensive libraries of functionality to develop sophisticated multimedia apps. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=ex7vnkcxmdm. Brief history of Java. Class exercise. Each member of the class will take a piece of paper and, taking no more than 5 minutes, write a series of instructions on how to make a cup of tea. After the 5 minutes are up, class members will exchange their instruction papers with each other. Did each student write the same set of instructions in the same order? Did any two students write the exact same set of instructions? Did anybody realize that they had forgotten to mention some important part of making tea? The importance of designing before coding. 1. A computer program always serves some purpose, so it is a good idea to think carefully about the steps needed to successfully execute the program. Definition of algorithm, the sequence of steps needed to execute a task. It is a good idea to use flowcharts or pseudocode to clearly define the sequence of all operations of your program. The importance of algorithm design. Basic flowchart symbols. Taken from https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=von65nm4yu. Last visited August 31, 2019. Basic flowchart rules. Taken from https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=von65nm4yu. Last visited August 31, 2019. Example of an algorithm with flowchart. Taken from https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=von65nm4yu. Last visited August 31, 2019. Pseudocode examples with flowcharts. Taken from https://www.slideshare.net/godemroy7/flowchart-pseudocode examples. Last visited August 31, 2019. Another flowchart. This screenshot is taken from a video found at https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=von65nm4yu. Last visited August 31, 2019. Let's have a look at this video. To check your knowledge, explain why pseudocode is considered to be a type of algorithm. Explain the difference between pseudocode and actual source code which can be executed by a programming language. Explain the meaning of this flowchart symbol. Computer programs control the flow of execution in 3 ways. Sequential, the program executes one procedure after another. Selection, the program has to make a choice between 2 or more available procedures. Repetition, the program will repeat a procedure until some condition is fulfilled. Flow of control in computer programs. Lesson review. In this lesson, we have learned about the definition of the term computer program, the function of compilers and interpreters in computer programming languages, the difference between compilers and interpreters, the difference between first generation, second generation and third generation computer programming languages, the definition of the term algorithm and the importance of algorithms in the context of designing computer programs. Expressing an algorithm as pseudocode and flowcharts. The meaning of 6 basic flowchart symbols. The 3 different types of flow of control used in computer programs.